Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on mobile iOS. Currently, Fall Guys is not officially available as a native application for Apple's iOS devices. There isn't an official mobile version released by the developers, Mediatonic. Therefore, to enjoy this popular game on your iPhone or iPad, you will need to explore alternative methods, primarily through cloud gaming services. It's important to be aware of unofficial apps. The most reliable way to play Fall Guys on your iOS device is through cloud gaming. These services stream the full PC or console version of the game directly to your phone or tablet. You'll need a strong, stable internet connection, ideally at least 25 megabits per second, for smooth gameplay. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now are excellent options, and a compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended. Getting started is straightforward. First, subscribe to a cloud gaming service that includes Fall Guys in its library. Next, download the service's dedicated application from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone or iPad. Then, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller with your iOS device for optimal control. Finally, open the cloud gaming app, find Fall Guys, and launch it to begin playing. Before diving in, consider a few key points. Latency, or input delay, can affect your gameplay, particularly with a slower internet connection. Always ensure your iOS device meets the cloud service's minimum specifications for the best performance. Remember that most cloud gaming platforms operate on a monthly subscription model. Lastly, always stick to official and reputable cloud gaming services to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.